Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily get the verified blue tick mark in the Instagram account of yours. So in order to begin, you'll have to open your Instagram application. You have to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. And once you are in the Instagram application, after your updation is completed, you can click on your profile icon and then click on this three dashes at the top right corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Here you can see an option account sender. You have to click on it. In here you can see the last option, meta verified. You have to click on it. Now you can see all the benefits that you get and you can see all the terms and conditions and the features of this blue tick mark. And once you have read all that, you can click on subscribe button. And now you can see that it asks for a $6.99 per month, so it's around $7 or $6. And then you can click on pay now. Now once the payment is completed, you can get the verified tick mark on the Instagram account. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.